Welcome to Online Cash Hunt. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of stock market investing with a focus on beginners. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or just starting to explore the financial markets, this video is for you. I'm Cash Hunter, and today, we'll lay the groundwork for your stock market journey, building a strong foundation for successful investing. So, grab your notepads, and let's embark on this investment adventure together. We begin by demystifying the stock market and understanding its significance in wealth building. Imagine the stock market as a vast marketplace where companies' shares are bought and sold by investors like you and me. By becoming a shareholder, you own a small portion of a company, and as the company grows, so does the value of your shares. For example, think of buying shares in a popular tech company like TechCo. As TechCo's products and services gain traction, the demand for its shares may increase, driving up the stock price and potentially leading to substantial gains for investors. Now that you understand the stock market's fundamentals, let's explore different investing strategies suitable for beginners. One approach is long-term investing. This strategy involves holding onto your investments for an extended period, typically years or even decades. Imagine you invest in a well-established company with a strong track record of consistent growth. By holding onto these shares and reinvesting any dividends received, you can potentially benefit from compound growth over time. Another popular strategy is dollar cost averaging. Imagine you want to invest $1,000 in a particular company, but you're worried about market volatility. Instead of investing the entire sum at once, you break it down into smaller amounts and invest them at regular intervals. This way, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, ultimately reducing the impact of short-term market fluctuations. As a beginner, diversification is crucial. Diversification means spreading your investments across different assets or sectors to reduce risk. For example, rather than investing all your money in a single company, consider diversifying your portfolio by including shares from various industries like technology, healthcare, and finance. This way, a downturn in one industry won't significantly affect your overall portfolio. Before diving into stock picking, let's discuss the significance of conducting thorough research. Imagine you're interested in investing in a retail company like Fashion Co. Conducting research involves analyzing the company's financial health, earnings reports, competitive position, and growth potential. Understanding these factors will help you make informed investment decisions rather than relying on short-term market trends. Time in the market beats timing the market. The stock market can be unpredictable, and trying to time the perfect entry or exit point can be challenging even for seasoned investors. For example, consider a hypothetical scenario where an investor tries to time the market by waiting for a dip in the stock price before investing. But the market rebounds, and they miss out on potential gains. Instead, adopting a long-term perspective can be more beneficial in building wealth over time. Lastly, let's address risk management. Every investment carries some level of risk, and it's crucial to be prepared for market fluctuations. One strategy is setting up an emergency fund. Imagine having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside in a separate account. This ensures you have a financial safety net, allowing you to stay invested in the stock market without the fear of needing to sell your investments during times of economic uncertainty. Congratulations! You've taken the first step in building a strong foundation for your stock market investing journey. Remember, investing is a continuous learning process, and it's essential to stay informed, patient, and disciplined. Keep researching, diversifying, and focusing on your long-term goals. With dedication and sound strategies, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and work towards achieving financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Online Cash Hunt for more valuable content on investing, passive income, and financial education. Share this video with anyone eager to start their investing journey. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy investing.